Hey there, what you making? Fill it with glue, and boom! Pimples for… oh man. Wuggy? Pup.
Ah!
The more the messier. So rainbow.
Gasp!
Oh, Bee, you're a mess. We'll fix ya. Balloony style. Dress. Tooby Tuboo. Way cool. Here, Barb. Who doesn't want to see Bionic Blondie? The stretchiest in the land. And the coolest. Look at that magenta hair. Nice. Tie it up with a pipe cleaner. Gorgeous. Whoa. Barbie, what bendy arms you have. Hey, ducky wucky. Ready for a swim? Thirsty? Catch these mallows. Oh man, you're making candy soup in the bowl? Whoa! Check out how fluffy that pink is. Is it done?
Ewy!
What in the world is this monstrosity? I call it fluffy. And we've got a whole lot of cleanup to do. OMG! Good job, lady. Ducky, is that you? You're cute and candified. Selfie. Strike a pose. Oh my god. It's time to hit the floss. Rushy-ush-ush. Pepperoni. Just in time for lunch. Well, I'd usually go to the deli, but I guess we're feeling adventurous. It's time to learn some toothbrushing skills. Come on it. Dr. Polly, going in. My, this mouth is gonna need some work. We need water, stat. This is one nasty cavity. We got it out. And fill. Plenty more where that came from. Being a dentist is hard work. Got this? Bye bad teeth. Out with the old and in with the new. You did it. What kind of absolute monstrosity is this? Squishy. Kissy? That's your belly? Have no worries. Your resident weight loss advisor is here. Oh, Kissy. Oh, Missy. I told you to cut out all that goo diet. Baby Wuggy. Congrats, Kissy. 5 stars for this. Pizza. Oh, yeah. Hey, I didn't know we were having a party. No.
Idea.
Candy. Don't mind if I do-de-do. Into the hot glue gun. Yeah. And paste. You guessed it. We're making pops. Round and round. You are quite the talent. Look. Pizza pop. The slice with a stick. Try and make them now, guys. Gotta go. Freeze!
Huh? Hey!
Missy! What are you doing to her? I hope you've got a good plan. When you have a cold seat, Missy.
Oh!
Let's make magic. First, decorations. Yep. Now, go for your favorite color. Paint the decor just like that. Add a face. And now, you've got the one, the only Kissy Missy toilet. Excuse me. Yucky yuck. The fun part. Why, the slime. So squishy. So satisfying. Now, kids, don't go trying this one at home. This ain't no regular doo-doo. Whoa! Holy moly guacamole, it's cool. What if we put it all together? Mega quadruple squish. Totally rainbow. Stretch it any way you want. And into a mega poo. Woohoo! Can't stop squishing. Rainbow TP. Sorry, Kissy Missy. It's our time to shine. Whoa, that's some world-class science. So colorful, so cool. We'll take that and make bubbles. Whee! They just don't pop. You can even make them bigger. Nice work. Whoa! Chop, chop. Hello, my good sir. You have come to the right place. For what, you ask? This. Our friend runs the hippest hair salon in the nation. I mean, check out those locks. Ooh la la. So rainbow. Buzzy wuzzy. Sorry, buddy. We've got a better use for your hair. Rainbow hearts. Way cool. Those make earrings. Pretty, pretty. Don't worry, hair grows back. Refreshing.
Aww.
I think Blue wants some. She puts a stick through the cup. And now, put a glove on top. Oh, idea. We'll make a glove blue. He even dances. Do it again. Slippers. Let's take off those stinky sockies. And now, put them in the shoe. Oh, yeah. Kissy Missy. Fancy seeing you here, my favorite pinkalicious monstrosity. They look so soft and comfy, fluffy. Boring phone case. I know what to do. Take it off. Now decorate it with Play-Doh. There's the arms, legs, and finally, face. Cute. And now the belly. Stick it on with gum. Or any other sticky substance you can think of. Nice one.
Squishy! Who's a good little squishy?
What treasure awaits? Oh me, oh my. Fill the poo with candy. No, not kidding. Check it. It's like tea. And now, let's make it double, triple yummy. Oh yeah. Never thought of a toilet shake before. Here.
What?
Oh, $99. Forget it. We'll make our own. Just draw Blue. Make him as colorful as you can. Wowza! That rocks, my blue-haired friend. Loony! It goes in his mouth. Now, tape on another layer of blue. There you have it. Your bubble blowing boo. Coolio.
Oh my gosh, she's covered in slime! Ew! I know, I'll fix her up right away! Get these doctor gloves and start a poppin'. Pop! 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 Dang, she's really been there a while. Wipe, wipe. Wow, she looks good as new. Oh wait, a hole on the bottom? I know, just grab a balloon. Stick it through. Add the details and you've got yourself a hot new toy. Cool!
Get ready, little booty. It's syringe time. Let's make this tushy really pop. We've got little colorful zits now. Pop, pop. Wow, nice. Amazing work, friendo. Pop, pop. So much color, so much fun. Let's wipe you off.
Now. So cool! I can use my face to paint around this cute little guy. Wow! So pretty! Ooh, let me swipe that. Thank you! There! Now I have this beautiful phone case. Hello? Yes! 5 stars it is!
Looks like Barbie's booty is ready. Fill the spot with silicone and wait till it hardens. Woohoo! Perfect! Fits the Rainbow Friend toy drawing perfectly. Now we can insert the colorful pus we'll get to pop.
I just love the feeling of popping a bubble, don't you?
Let's have at it. Pop! 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 Wow! 5 stars!
Oh, wow! Check this out! Who do we have here in the toilet today? Oh, wow! What did I find? Cute frog. If I kiss him, will he turn into a prince? No prince. Wait, what the heck? Are these pimples on my face? I can pop them all! I've got all these colors on my face!
Let's have a seat. Yikes! I think something poopy happened. See anything? Oh no! So embarrassing! What to do, Nancy? Let's get these off ASAP. Wrap a rubber band around each part of the panties. Place it in the toilet and keep adding paint. Wowza! Rainbow boom! Now add foam. And be sure to mix it up. Soak the whole mixture in water. And you've got your own tie-dye pants. Check it out. Problem of any stain solved. And they look absolutely fabulous. Cool.
Oof, what a zinger! Better press it hard. Oh, this is always the toughest part. What can I do now? Ooh, the beauty box might have an answer. Nice. Pimple patches can do the trick. Let me place them all over my zits. Rip! Ooh, this is amazing! I have such smooth skin. Green slime over the cake. Something's hidden in the goo. Look, a cat! And now it's time for the potion that can bring this cat to life. Take the cap off. Glug, glug. Meow! Wow! Look at my fluffy white kitty! I love popping bubble wrap. Just need my handy-dandy syringe to make it more fun. Squirt some color. And let's fill these bad boys up. You can use a Q-tip to add some more paint on top. And tweezers to place the little pearls. We're ready to squeeze. Ah, so fun! Look at all the explosions! Nice! Oh, yes! 5 stars it is!